Thinking if we were being visited, somebody would have some good footage. Half of everyone born was dead before they were 30. They only say I knew it after you gave them the answer. An underperforming student, you're only using 10% of your brain. Reach in for more of it.
Yeah.
If you're floating above your body, above that piece of paper, when you come back to life, you should be able to say what's written on it. In the 1960s and 70s, there were many, many reports of alien abductions. People said, the aliens came to me and they brought me in and then they released me. Do you have any footage? No, they took my camera. Or no, they zapped my film and now there's no image on the film. But there were countless stories. Well, now you can stream live from your camera anything that's going on in front of you. So if the aliens come and they want to abduct you, stream it. That would be instantly viral. Oh my gosh. You know, the stuff that goes viral is much less than that. A kitten that jumps to the table and falls, that goes viral? You don't think a video footage of an alien is not going to go viral instantly? But there's none. So I'm just saying, if we were being visited, I'm thinking maybe Google satellite images would catch spaceships that are not airplanes moving on our surface. I'm going to tell you a story, and I don't want you to ever forget this story.
Okay.
20,000 years ago, we're in the cave.
Yes.
Do you know what the life expectancy was?
10 years, 15 years.
30.
30.
30.
30.
Half of everyone born was dead before they were 30.
Wow.
Fast forward to 1840.
Right.
1840, that's a long time.
Yes.
From 20,000 years ago.
Yes.
Half of everyone born in the world was dead by the age of 34, 35. We gained 5 years life expectancy.
Wow.
And every one of them ate organic, breathed clean air.
Yes.
Drank fresh water.
Yes. There was no
ate free range
Yes.
game. Science matters here.
Right.
We've doubled the life expectancy with antibiotics, vaccines, and sanitation. Mm-hmm. The three biggest forces operating on our longevity.
Zodiac. Do the Zodiac, do they actually mean, because Doc, you know how women are. What's your sign? I knew it. You a water sign, or you a this or that. Yeah.
They only say I knew it after you gave them the answer.
But I'm saying it's like,
they only say they knew it after they gave the answer. But go on.
Like, okay, I'm a Cancer, crab, that's a water sign, or you're this, or you're Capricorn, or you're a Sagittarius, or you're a Leo, you're not a Taurus, or I'm like, I don't know what that, who came up with the Zodiac signs and put a meaning that people buy into? People actually believe that they fall up under this sign, and because they said, okay, you're compassionate, you're the this, and you're that, and people believe it.
So, in all fairness to people,
Yeah.
let me just give a shout out to our species. If you go back far enough, when we're agrarian, when do you plant seeds? How do you know? Oh, because this constellation is here in the sky at this time of night. It's not in that part of the sky 3 months from now.
Right.
2 months ago, now.
Right.
When are you going to harvest? Well, when this other constellation is right here.
Okay.
It must know about my crops. It must care.
Right.
It must think about this.
Right.
It all revolves around me.
Yes.
You're at the center of all this motion. So how could you think anything else? Plus, your religious book puts Earth in the middle and everything is in the service of you. Everything.
Right.
This is a pre-scientific era where our ego knew no limits. We invent the telescope.
Yes.
We find out the stars are at different distances in space.
Right.
It's not just on a dome where we connect the dots. The dots are actually distributed throughout space.
Right.
And you want to put a pattern on these random ass stars in the sky? Really? And I told you we will see patterns even when they're not actually there.
Right.
because that's a human thing to do. We're going to see Jesus in the tortilla. He's going to be in the tortilla and in the waffle or whatever your waffle iron is going to do.
Yeah.
So once we learned the universe, these are not discrete patterns sitting on a surface.
Right.
The stars spread out in space. Once we learned this, the idea that these mythological entities that were layered onto the sky by sleepless Babylonians and Greek and Romans, it's untenable in the face of that knowledge. And if you do experiments,
Okay.
if they fail every time.
Is it true? And I've heard this. I don't know if this is a myth. You're going to clear it up right here today. That we only use 10% of our brain.
No. It was
We use
never
more or
true.
less.
It was never true.
Okay.
But it's not going away because teachers love it. An underperforming student, you're only using 10% of your brain, reach in for more of it.
Yeah.
So I think the way it goes is there was in brain research, you can't just experiment on people's brains.
Right.
It's unethical.
Right.
The best you can do,
Can you a lobotomy?
best you can do is wait for somebody to come in with a brain injury.
Right.
Okay? There's like a spike goes through here.
Yeah.
And then they lose their language.
Okay.
Another spike goes through here and they go blind, but they can still speak. Or they can make noises, but they make gibberish.
Yeah.
So you can make a pattern of what's going on if that repeats with everyone. Well, maybe is the brain the same for everybody? We don't know.
No.
Test it. Okay. What the guy said in the 19th century was, the brain is so complex. I forgot who said this. The brain is so complex, we only know what 10% of it is used for.
And we took that to mean that we only use 10% of our brain.
When people have these near-death experiences, okay, or one where they're dying on a table, and a commonly described, they leave their body, and they look back on themselves, okay? That's a thing going, that's something, okay?
Right.
Let's investigate this, okay? So, the test for whether you really left your body or whether you were hallucinating it is get some writing that faces the ceiling up above your body. Okay? And they've done this experiment. And if you're floating above your body, above that piece of paper, when you come back to life, you should be able to say what's written on that piece of paper. And that is yet to happen.
If you get above it.
Yeah, if you get above it. Correct. That is yet to happen. That'd be
So
really
where would
good.
that piece of paper be suspended?
Yeah, no, you have to put it up on a shelf or something. Yeah, you'd be able to put it in a way that it would be clearly.
But then the person would have to die knowing that piece of paper was there and then be brought back?
Possibly, yeah, I mean
So you'd have to tell them, hey, I know you're gonna die.
you're going to die.
We're gonna
if you come back,
yeah.
I have a piece of paper up here.
That
Go
seems
read
like
from it.
a pretty ridiculous experiment to try to
if
achieve.
you care, wait, pause.
Pause.
From ridiculous
So like,
experiments.
hey, I know this guy's about to die, but instead of concentrating on bringing him back to life, let's write down
you
on
do
a piece
both.
of paper and leave it
instead
on the
of-
shelf. But who the fuck is going to do that?
No, you know what they did?
What?
In 1895, after Wilhelm Röntgen discovers X-rays and they find out it penetrates your body and you can see bones inside your body, you know what they did? They
What?
set up X-ray machines at the bedside of dying people to see if they can see a soul leave the body.
Then everybody just got cancer from the radiation.
They died from cancer. No, they were